Okay, in example 2, I do have an example of when you have a fraction, and you're going to multiply, because when a letter is squished next to a number, that's multiplication, equals -8. Well, I want to get x by itself, so I've got to kind of eliminate this. So in order to eliminate it, I need to do the reciprocal, because if you remember, if you take the reciprocal of a number, like 1/8, and you take the reciprocal, 8 over 1, and you multiply, you will get 1. And that's what I want to get is 1x. So if I multiply by a -5 over 4, the two negatives will make a positive, the 4's will cancel, the 5's will cancel, and I'm left with x. So if I multiply by 5 over 4, -5 over 4, on this side of the equation, to keep it balanced, I must do it on this side of the equation. And remember, when you're multiplying by a fraction, you make this a fraction by putting it over 1. And then it's like a dot, and I can reduce early. So I've got my 4 and my 8, and they're both divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So -2 times -5 equals 10 over 1, or just plain 10. So we want to plug that back into our original equation, which was -4/5, and then x is 10, so we'll plug 10 in here, equals a -8. This is checking our work. So as we check our work, we can make this over 1, your little dot, times your 5 and your 10. You can reduce early by dividing by 5, make that a 1. Divide by 5, make that a 2. So your 1's at the bottom. -4 times 2 is -8 over 1, or just plain -8. So check. This x equals 10 is my final answer. If you think you know how you can do a fraction by multiplying by the reciprocal, you can try the next on your own, 4 through 6 on the next page.